traders? Welcome to this weekly recap for the past week of trading from Sunday, June 2nd till Friday the 7th. So, Kevin right here again with you, your golden option Forex mentor. So, during this past week, we had four opportunities on three pairs. So, GBP AUD twice, GBP GPY, GJ, our favorite pair as always, and gold. So, let's start with GJ right here. Really straightforward trade. We were in a short-term bullish trend. So right now, I'm not confirming you that we are in a bullish trend for maybe the week to come or the bi-weekly, the 2 weeks to come, or the whole month. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just telling you that we are currently, for the past week, and I think the previous one still. So at least confirm from the past week, and right now, currently, we are into a short-term bullish trend. So don't get misled by this. The market didn't reverse yet and confirm to go bullish. So it's not a call that I'm making right here. So during this short-term bullish move, we got some trades right here. So as you can see right here, we got this impulsive move. So with the trend line right here uh, that we combined these 2 points. So there was the one touch, second touch, third touch. We could have entered here, and we entered on the fourth touch. So from the third touch onwards, you can, if the level holds, if the right here is a diagonal level, the trend line diagonal support, it holds, you can take the trade, but have many other confirmations. So during this week, for the four opportunities we had a lot of confluence. So it was really straightforward, and you can see pretty much the whole setup without even the trend lines and other tools. So really easy trades as a whole this week. So we had this one touch, second touch, third touch right here, fourth touch right here of the trend line, plus we had this level of support resistance right here, just the level, not even the zone, but always consider support and resistance / supply and demand as zones. So at 137.400, 0.40 as you want, 0.40 as resistance breakout, and didn't respect it right here much, but still respected right here as a resistance again, breakout on the above, uh, and came down to retrace as a support. So we had the fourth touch, first confluence, this level right here, strong key level of support and resistance right here that acted as support for our setup. Second confluence, and as you usually know, the Fibonacci tool right here. So impulsion, correction on the sideways right here, and from the previous low to the previous high, retracement, correction around the 61.8 fibs level, our golden ratio. Third confluence right here. So after three confluences, the rest is just complementary. It just makes more coherent to take a trade. So we had three confluences. It's enough. It's really good, and you can see all indicates for a bullish movement right here that we took right here, and we got to a point of reaching our target at 80. We were at 85-90% of our target at 35 pips for the first TP. Second TP was 138, but we were right here at 85-90% of the move, and already from the 30th or 40th pip into profit, we already put our stop loss into break even. So we were in break even for a while. Still, price decided to come back down and hit our stop loss at break even. So no gains right here, even though the setup right here was amazing. It was really, really efficient on GBP AUD. Two entries and tries, one stop loss at break even, and the other one 50 pips into profit secured. So we had this downwards channel, first confluence, again many confluences on this setup right here. We had this again support and resistance level that you can always see as a zone. So don't forget about support and resistance that you can see as zones, right? But still, right here was relevant to just put the level at 100.8195. So support right here, support right here. If you see it as a zone, of course, as I mentioned, support, support, support 3 times. Pass break this, support, resistance once, resistance twice, and we were about to make a resistance on the level, but again, still efficient, still coherent because it was a zone right here. So third touch right here, uh, many confluences. So descending channel, one confluence, the support resistance, in this case resistance level, second confluence. As you always know, Fibonacci, previous height, previous low in this regards that we were in a downtrend, from previous height, previous low, 61.8 right here, but 61.8 that made the triple top. So we had this wick right here, then a descending move, again reached the same level with the wick, double top right here, and it just like it closed below, and then price again came to the same level 3 times right here. So 61.8 plus triple top, really efficient setup, so many confluences right here, 3 plus as the previous one. We entered, and once again we were at 90 to 95% of the out of the away from the target at 25 pips for the first TP, and we were already into profit and put stop loss at break even. So still price decided to do as GJ and go back up right here. So we were stopped out on the wick. You'll see right here the wick. I'll take out the mouse and you'll see the big wick right here. So we got stopped out, and at the same moment that we were stopped out, we set it in advance that we would enter once again. So this was the same entry with the same setup, stop loss, and take profit. So we entered on the same price, and we're aiming at the same target. But after 45 50 pips right here into profit, London session was about to close, so we decided to just close it manually and secure these 50 pips right here. And lastly, on gold, once again, really clean setup, really straightforward right here, support and resistance zone right here. So resistance, 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 all the way here. You can see, so consolidation right here, but acted pretty much as resistance the whole time. Really strong level right here, and breakout because we were in an uptrend. So big impulsive move, consolidation right here, breakout, and big impulsive move on the upwards side, and came down to retrace to correct a bit. So during the correction, that still respected this level, support and resistance right here as a support once and support twice. So many confluences, support and resistance. In this case, support a second time, so a second time right here, and it made it double bottom. So double bottom, the second confluence. As you always know, Fibonacci from previous low right here, so previous low of the wick to the previous high, 61.8, 61.8, third confluence, and it wasn't 61.8 level. So this level right here, 61.8, it tried to raise, but with not much momentum, and it just came back here to make this double bottom as I mentioned. So second time on a 61.8 fib right here for a massive impulsive movement on the upwards to our target at 110 pips. So amazing trade this week. So during this week we had 4 opportunities on 3 pairs. So GBP AUD twice, break even, and then 50 pips secured manually. GBP GPY 85 to 90% of the target, and we were stopped out afterwards at break even. And gold for 110 pips for a total of 160 pips this week. So it was an amazing, really profitable week with all setups being with a lot of confluences, 3 plus confluences make it secure. So really easy week. And if you guys want to copy this type of quality signals, you can go obtain more information and sign up at goldenoptiontrading.com and visit our Instagram pages at Golden Option Trading, 51.4K on the main account, this main account. And we thank you so much for your support and loyalty. And at Golden Option for the Francophone content right here at 20K. So both combined 51.4 and 20K, we have 71.4K followers, an amazing community that we have built throughout the 3 past years with you guys, and we are so happy and grateful for it. So we hope that you took some profits or all of these that we took this week, and we'll see you guys on the next video for even more profit. Take care and stay blessed.